Welcome to Opus's Hack of the Week, featuring a critical data breach incident involving Barracuda in 2023. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more hacking news and expert cybersecurity tips. Let's set the scene. Barracuda, known for its robust email security gateway appliances, found itself in the crosshairs of a Chinese threat group. This wasn't your run-of-the-mill cyber skirmish. It was a calculated strike exploiting a zero-day vulnerability. The crux of the breach lay in a third-party library, Spreadsheet Parse Excel, used by Barracuda's appliances to vet Microsoft Excel email attachments for malware. The attackers, identified by Mandiant as UNC4841, didn't just knock on the door. They blasted it open with malicious Excel attachments designed to trigger the vulnerability and execute code. What followed was the deployment of two sinister malware variants, C-Spy and Saltwater, granting the attackers not just a peek but persistent access and control over the compromised devices. But Barracuda wasn't down for the count. They swiftly patched the vulnerability and purged the malware from the affected devices. On December 21, 2023, they rolled out a security update that not only fixed the flaw but also kicked the malware to the curb. To ensure transparency and aid the broader cybersecurity community, Barracuda disclosed the vulnerability through two CVEs, shining a light on the incident's scope and impact. This episode isn't just a cautionary tale, it's a battle cry for a proactive defense. Partnering with Opus and our alerting services means staying one step ahead, with real-time notifications from multiple vendors ensuring you're always in the know and ready to patch up vulnerabilities at a moment's notice. Don't leave your digital fort unguarded. Stay informed, stay protected with Get Opus. For more insights and to bolster your cybersecurity posture, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can turn the tide against cyber threats.